Welcome once again, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, to the Vault of Strange Deaths. I'm your host, Dr. Franklin Ruehl. Now, roll tape.
We have time for one entry, or maybe even two, from the Vault of Strange Deaths. He snored too loud. Now, Bridget Rowe, 63, of Devon, England, had been under a great deal of strain because her husband kept snoring, going, and it was driving her crazy. This was going on for years. So you know what she did? She sprayed hair mousse into his mouth and then covered his head with a blanket. And he died. And now she's been arrested. Some would think that was justifiable homicide. Now, I don't know if we have any snorers in our audience, but we don't want this to happen because we could lose both of you. We lose the snorer who's dead, and I don't think the wife is going to be watching our show in prison. So if you have a problem with the husband going, the real solution is use two things, a glass of water and a videotape. You videotape my show, you toss a glass of water and we go, and then when he wakes up and say, what did you do that for, honey? You say, it's time to watch Dr. Ruehl's show on tape, and I wanted to wake you. And he'd say, well, thank you for doing that. And you solve the snoring problem, and we don't lose two members of our audience. Now, until next time, may the power of the cosmos be with you. Yes. Yes.
And again, until next time, may the power of the cosmos be with you. Yes, yes, yes.